Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft account security. And in this video, I will show you on how to simply change your Microsoft account password. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you log into your Microsoft account. Then having logged into your Microsoft account, go ahead and make sure you navigate to security settings right here. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Then go ahead and click. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on change password. Then here you go. What you need to do is to enter your new password right here. Then enter your new password right here and click on make me change my password every 72 days if you would like. If you don't like that, come down below right here and save your new password. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Microsoft account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.